Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is Whitney from Landpack company. We are a packing machine manufacturer with 60 years professional experience. Now our factory covers 20,000 square meters. And today, I will introduce this single head filling machine for filling 30 grams bottles. Okay, let me show you the machine one by one. And first one is our empty bottle feeder. And the next one is our filling machine. And this one is our storage hopper equipped with heating and stirring device. Okay, this is the temperature controller. And this one is our touch screen of this machine. This one is the filling nozzle controlled by a gear pump. Okay, let me show you how this machine running. And this part is our Vibratory Caps Feeder. And this one is the track of the caps. And it is electric eyes for check the caps. If there is not caps here, it will automatically fit in the caps. And this machine is our high-speed capping machine. This screw is for adjust the distance of the wheels. And let me show you how the machine running. Finally, is this Inject Coding Machine. And you can see these finished products. Okay, if you have any production information, you can preset on this touch screen. Okay, for further inquiries, please feel free to contact with us through below website. We are pleased to provide you a suitable solution. Okay, bye-bye.